Okay, so you just got your brand new G Suite email address and password as a student. Now what do? On a computer or laptop, you can either sign in directly into Google Classroom or into Gmail and then into the classroom. First method. In the address bar of your browser, type classroom.google.com and press enter. Click Sign In, Google Classroom. On this page that opens, enter your new email address and the password to sign in. This will take you to a Terms of Service page and on to Google Classroom. Click Accept to proceed. You may also be asked to change your password. Click Continue. Next, you are presented with a choice of joining the system either as a student or a teacher. Click on Student. Click Join and join all of your classes. Second method. In the address bar, type mail.google.com and press Enter. Click Sign In and enter your new email address and password. This will take you to the Terms of Service page and then Gmail. In Gmail, you will see all the messages sent to your account since it was created, including an invitation to join the classroom. Open the invite and click Join. This will take you to Google Classroom. Why do I advise going the longer way around? Easy. Oftentimes, people sign into Classroom with the wrong account. This takes them to an empty page with no classes. If you log into Gmail first, there's no way you won't be able to tell whether you have the correct account or not. Plus, following the link in the invitation should reduce the chance of going to Classroom with the wrong account. Click Continue. Then click Student. Here is what a typical classroom looks like. The landing page is the class stream. Here you will see announcements from the teacher, comments from your classmates, and any upcoming assignments. The pop-up menu on the left gives you quick access to all of your classes and your calendar. In the top right, you should see an icon representing your account and the 9 dots that will take you to other G Suite apps. Beyond the class stream, there's also a tab that takes you to the classwork posted in the classroom. You will only see topics that have materials or assignments associated with them. Click on the material to expand it to see all materials in the post. Click on the one you wish to open or view. Clicking here allows you to see all of the work you've turned in so far. Finally, the People tab allows you to see the teachers and students in the class. You can quickly email your classmates or teachers from this page. Click on the class stream. You can share your own post or news with the class or comment on other posts. Please remember to always be respectful of others and to follow the class rules. There is never an appropriate time for cyberbullying. Now let's take a look at using a device such as a tablet. Begin by downloading the Classroom app. Go to Google Play or your App Store and search for Google Classroom. Install the app. Open the app and add an account with the new email address and password you were given. Accept the terms of service and continue on to Google Classroom. Select Student. Tap Join to be taken to your classroom. You can see the class screen and the 2 other tabs at the bottom of the screen. As before, you can make new posts and comment on the posts of others. Tap the announcements to view the posts and materials. The flyout menu on the left has quick links. The eye at the top of the screen gives you the class details. The classwork tab shows you the classwork, and the people tab, the teachers and students in the class. And for the most part, that's it. Much of the same things you can do in Google Classroom on a computer, you can accomplish on a phone or a tablet.